Hi everyone, Lakita from Tandem Trouble here with your One Hot Minute. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about leaners. We hear this a lot on the interwebs. My baby is a leaner, I may need a new carry, I maybe need a new carrier because they're leaning to one side instead of the other. And I heard a phenomenal lecture at the International Baby Wearing Conference by Becca Morse from Baby Carriers Provided that kind of changed my point of view on what I think about leaners. What Becca suggested was that if the baby's bottom is in the same plane of alignment as the head, the baby is less likely to lean to one side or the other. So this just goes back to basic positioning, which is the first thing that we try to teach in baby wearing. So if the baby's bottom is not in the same plane of alignment as the head, the baby will automatically lean. If I'm using an asymmetrical carry in which one leg is lifted, you can see the baby already starts to lean. So instead of constantly adjusting for the top section where the baby's body is, consider adjusting from the bottom. And then if I adjust the bottom and maybe widen the hips just a touch, that gives the baby a better frame of reference for seating, and then the head and the bottom are immediately aligned. Thank you so much for joining me for your One Hot Minute. Hope I see you next week. Have a great week.